I just love how colorful and fun this spatula set is. I was gifted this. I'm going to unwrap this real quick off camera so you don't have to listen to all the crinkle, but I just wanted to show they do come all individually wrapped. So if you wanted to split it up and give some as gifts, you could. I'll be right back. In the back, and they're all unwrapped, and they are just so much fun. They have the rainbow color all the way down them. You've got 8 spatula and then your little silicone brush. So this is nice and soft. You're going to be able to put your olive oil and stuff on things with this. They all have little holes here on the end. The larger ones do, so you can hang them if you wanted to, or stick them in your canisters in the back there. That's what we'll be doing with these. So you've got your 4 spatulas of assorted sizes here, right? A little bit different shapes. You've got 2 that are more the scoop shape and 2 that are more like getting the size of a bowl. You've got one that's like the knife type spatula. I love these. These are great. And then, like I said, you've got the silicone brush. And then you've got these. I love these. And this, at least one of these will not be living in the kitchen or probably live in the bathroom because these are great to scoop like the inside of jars. So like when you're down to like the tail end of like a mayonnaise jar, a ketchup jar, your condiments, your salad dressing and all that. And this is fun because you can like get into the edge corners of things too, or puncture the top, even though it's like soft, it'll help get you through that top of those jars or bottles with the foil over top. But anyway, so you see here, it's flexible to here, but then it's stiff here. So this is going to help you get into the bottom of those bottles and scoop it out. But these, you can see you've got all these different sizes. Oops. Right? So all different lengths. So this would be good for like makeup, like your moisturizer and things like that. Your concealer, your foundation, things that are hard to get to in those little bottles. This one is probably going to live in my bathroom because of that. These will probably live in the kitchen for like your salad dressing jars and bigger things like that. But they can get into those bottles that are harder to reach. So for example, this salad dressing, it's hard to tell, but there's like just this much left here in the bottom. So it's got like one salad in, and then I can take this and just scrape the sides, stick it in and scrape it and get the rest out. So perfect for that. Real quick, I just want to show like they're bendable. They're not super stiff. They're gonna have nice flex and give. And the knife, the spatula knife type, it's got soft edges, but they're firm enough that they're going to get into the edges of that bowl. So if you're looking for a fun set of spatulas, super colorful, add some brightness to the kitchen, or if you've got your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, somebody coming over to help and you want them to have some fun stuff while they're helping, fun for that too. But yeah, this is just a great assortment. So I hope this has helped.